folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, lick, touch, smell, poke, smash, crush, chop the subscribe button, like button, all that whatever stuff. I know I say it every video. Every video says the same thing. I have to do it too, because you have to click the button so it helps us out to get the algorithm. Try to watch the whole video because it helps me out with watch time. This is a Harbor Freight video because I went to Harbor Freight to pick up something. I bought these things. They're what? I think they were $1.99, now they're like $2.99, I think, or so whatever. I bought some more because I probably should buy them on Amazon because they're probably made the same factory, but I could buy a whole bag, but I was there. I had to renew my Inside Track membership so I can get something cheap. I also got a, how'd that get in there? I got another set of these, even though I realized that they're only $1.29, I think I paid. You gotta realize, why should I really should stop buying these and then go in that box of shitty screwdrivers I have. I realized, no, why don't I just make some of these? I have a bunch of like no good screwdrivers that I could just heat up, bend, and grind the tip and just bend it and have. But these are tiny ones because the other one I have of these, the tip broke off. So I don't know if there's like a limited lifetime warranty on these things. I don't care. It's a toothpick. Basically, it's a pick. It's like a giant dental pick. I wouldn't want to grind this on my teeth. Ugh. It's like this. So that, believe it or not, I mean, for throwaway tools, these are not bad. They look like the orange snap-on stuff. That's how I used to like the. I used to like the bright, this color, the snap-on screwdrivers, and then I don't know what the hell color they are now. I haven't seen a snap-on truck in like 10 years, so I don't know. But I always liked the handles. They had that nice shape. They were, that one on here. They had a nice shape to them. I hate when they do like you. Let's say like the Klein tools, they make these things. I hate when they make a nice shape of a handle, then they all of a sudden gotta get fancy and change it. You're just like, meh. Even the Japanese and the GIS screwdrivers, I like them. Nice wood. It's got a nice wood handle. I don't know, kind of walnut or something. They're Japan. So anyway, with that said, I have another tool. I'm gonna aim down here. Show you. This is I'm gonna review a tool I've never even used in my life. I've never owned one of these. It's a, what do you call it? 2-pound slide hammer and puller set. Comes with a cardboard box. Yeah. And let's see. One thing I noticed prior to, I opened this at my house. It's just to look in it. I did notice this. Oh, this is closed, but I don't have a lot of, if you want to rip your fingers off, this is not very good, this thing. That was a nice blow molded case. The super expensive piece of foam. Instructions that have nothing in it on how to use it. And pretty much all the basic amenities you need, like a, what do you call it? 2-pound block of metal, a rod. There's absolutely nothing in here on the different setups that you could possibly do. Nothing, just 2-jaw pulling, assembly, hook pulling. Like you'd figure they'd give you a diagram. No, it's just, they give you that diagram, and I'm all about pictures and then explanations, because says attach cone rod 6 to the end of screw adapter 7, then attach this piece directly to slide screw. Cone rod works an easy out bolt remover, center cone rod, middle, whatever. So yeah, I'm just not into it. But anyway, I need this to pull a bearing race out, so I'm going to use this. I'll give you a full. It was what, $30? So $30. It was good. What do I need it for? You know, hey, am I gonna, and if you look online, they're like $60, $80, $100, $200. If you're the one-hit wonder guy who's just using this on a bike, this is what Pittsburgh Automotive's for. For guys like me who don't want to spend $200 on a tool and use it once. Worst case, if Harbor Freight didn't exist and I had to spend $200 on one tool, I would probably build my own slide hammer. And if I didn't know how, I'd learn real quick. This is not from Harbor Freight. This is a, what do you call it? Blind hole extractor, it's called. blind bearing extractor. Wait, yeah, with a slide hammer. And I want to see, if you hold on 1 second, I'm going to check some. Hold on.